Can you hear me talking to you? If so, what am I saying? Hmm? 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 Hmm?
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Kyle in the Wild. Gassing the truck up, about to put some gas in the kayak. I'm about to head out on the Ladybird Lake.
Oh, those giant bass are chasing that huge gizzard shad. Oh my god. They're about to eat that big gizzard shad. I gotta catch that big gizzard. Alright, so I have myself fastened to this log right here and I'm about to stand up and try to sight fish. I don't even know if y'all will be able to see. The bass is way. Oh, he just turned on it. Nope. He's biting it. Alright guys, so we're about to do something really stupid. Alright. So it's very possible this log may break. But it won't be in vain. I'm about to catch this fish. Alright, we're getting really crazy now. Oh, that's not good. Oh, he just tried to crush it. Oh, he's mouthing it. Oh, again. As soon as he gets the whole thing. Down here. Still feisty. Ooh, that was crazy. Look at that. That hook was barely in that fish. Probably a pound and a half, but we'll take it. Alright guys, update. We just caught that fish off the log and rest in peace. There used to be a microphone attached to this GoPro, but as soon as I set the hook I heard bloop. But it doesn't matter. We got that fish and I'm out here having fun, so hopefully we can get a couple bigger ones. Well, I was trying to get some Instagram popularity, and he was a little camera shy, so he's back on his bed. Oh, there's one. Pretty little bass. We're gonna go ahead and paddle back over there by his bed and drop him back off. See you later, dude. Nice little find right here. Another bruiser. Found a bed. $3.85. $3.85. 3.8. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this big girl go. She's a star right now. Everybody wants to know how big she is. See you later, big girl. 3.85. This is why you go fishing in the windstorm. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. And we barely had her. Check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and pull over on the bank. Guys, she came right off that tree where I thought I was gonna get a hit. She crushed it. Thank you. All right. Huh? Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get her release on this big girl. She weighed 5.35. Yep, just like taking pictures with them.
Like, look what I did.
Oh my gosh. This dude hammered this crankbait. Check it out. Probably a nice little 1.5 pounds right there.